Okay, so my name is Platina, and I would like to walk through how to write a recursion function to check if a given binary tree is a binary search tree. So, before that, we have to know the key property of the binary search tree. So, for the binary search tree, every node in the binary search tree have the values in its left subtree. Must be like every node in the binary search tree must have all values in its subtree smaller than the node values. Understand? And also all values in its right subtree must be also greater than the node's value. So a common mistake is to only compare a node to its immediate children. This can pass in some cases where the tree is actually invalid. So to solve this correctly, we need to check that all nodes in the left subtree are less than the current node. All nodes in the right subtree are greater. So here is how we implement it recursively. So we will write a hopper function, for example. The node or the min file or the max file to get the is bit as the binary search tree. After that, this function will take the current node along with the range of allowed values, that is the min file and the max file. So at each step, if the node is now, its value returns true, and if the node is not within the min file or the max file, it returns false. So recursively check the left child, updating the max file to the current node's value, and also recursively check the right child, updating the main file to the current node's value. So if both subtrees are valid, it will return true. So let's say the function is bst node min file to bracket max file. So if the node is now, it will return true. But if the node value as the min file is greater than or equal to the min file or the node value, it will also give us a max value which will return as false. So, and also if the binary search tree, that is the node left to the min file to the node value, and it will return as the binary search tree into bracket the node left at the min file at the node value, and also the binary search tree also give us also a node right and a node value and a max value. So we would start by calling the root or the binary search, whether the root to bracket the infinity, and also ensure each node is checked against the proper bounds from the root down. And this method is efficient with time complexity of the constant time, because each node is visited exactly once. So that's how I would use a recursion to verify whether a binary tree is valid or is invalid for a binary search tree. Thank you very much. So if you want, I can write okay, yeah, I think I can also send a code on how I'll do it.